guys, check this out. If we were to put this window down, by the way, I'm using my Kodak PIXPRO because it's waterproof. If we were to put this window down, there will be a thick layer of ice on my mom's phone. If we were to put this window down, there would be a thick layer of ice. And as you can see, we've been hit by a snowstorm. So I'm gonna get this ice scraper from inside the car. And we go around here. See, this is all ice. I don't want to like scratch up the car window, so I'm just gonna leave it how it is. Oh. The store handle's covered in ice too. Here it's freezing. We have some snow on the ground here. I'm just gonna throw this at my dad's car. Oh my god. My hands are gonna get frostbite. Jeez, it's freezing. Alright. Find some ice here. By the way, today is January 16, 2023. Did I say 2023? No, it's January 16, 2024. Yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoy.